Did you know? Instant noodles contain wax coating, which is also used in styrofoam containers. That is why instant noodles don't stick to each other while cooking. Our body needs up to 2 days to clean the wax. Make sure you stop eating a pack noodles for at least 3 days after a session of noodles. This wax can cause cancer. According to this message, which has been circulating in various incarnations since at least the year 2000. Instant noodles have a wax coating to stop them from sticking together. The message further claims that the polystyrene foam containers that the noodles come in also have a coating of wax.